Wow, this is so unbelievable. These hairstyles are so beautiful, mesmerizing, and glamorous. They are trending right now in this year of 2026. These are Bob Braids hairstyles. You're gonna love it. They are very protective, light, and they give you freedom and peace. Easy to style. Oh my goodness, I will not mention everything. Just watch this video by yourself and choose your next Bob Braids hairstyles. I am Jake as usual. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.